In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Author Central on KDP, a must-watch KDP tutorial for beginners. Setting up your Author Central page can enhance your author presence on Amazon, making it easier for readers to find all of your published works, your author bio, and other information that can help build your brand. So let's dive in and get started on creating your Author Central profile. The first thing you need to do is go to authoramazon.com. This webpage is where you'll begin the journey of creating your distinct author identity on Amazon. Once there, the next step is to log in with your Amazon account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to sign up. It's quite straightforward. Just ensure that the account you use is linked to the email address associated with your KDP account, as this will make the next step seamless. Now that you're logged in, it's time to claim your book. This is a very important part of setting up your page as it links your work to your profile, allowing readers to easily find your books all in one place. You can search for your book by entering the title, ISBN, or your author name. If your book appears, you can click on it to claim it. Sometimes, if there are multiple authors or if your name is common, you might see several entries. Just select the one that corresponds to your work. Once claimed, a verification process may occur, which could take a few days, so don't worry if your books don't immediately appear linked to your profile. After you've claimed your books, it's time to add some personal touches to your Author Central page. Start by adding a bio, a brief snapshot that can engage readers and give them a sense of who you are beyond the books you've written. Try to keep it personal yet professional, relating elements that resonate with your writing style or themes. Following your bio, upload a photo. A professional photo can make a significant difference in how you are perceived by potential readers. It doesn't need to be too formal, but it should represent you well as an author. Ensure that the image is clear and appropriately sized according to Amazon's requirements, which you can find on the site. And don't forget to review and organize your list of books. You can curate this list by adding new releases or removing titles that are no longer available. This is important to keep your profile current and reflective of your author journey. Once all these steps are completed, regularly update your Author Central page. Keep your bio fresh with new releases or projects, update your photo as needed, and ensure your book list reflects your most recent titles. This active engagement with your Author Central page can enhance your connection with readers and bolster your visibility on Amazon. And there you have it. You've learned how to set up an Author Central page on KDP. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be on your way to building a successful author profile on Amazon. Thank you for watching, and happy publishing.